The Versamax UT is equipped with FLOE's exclusive and patented fast action tilt clamp system. It provides 3 unique loading modes and can be a total game changer if you're loading low clearance equipment. First, you can simply lower the tailgate ramp and drive on. This is perfect for loading ATVs and other equipment with plenty of ground clearance. Second, you can use the tongue limiter strap to partially tilt the bed for loading low clearance items like longer UTVs, golf carts, or lawnmowers. Simply loosen and slide the tilt clamp forward, and the limiter strap will allow the trailer to tilt about halfway. Doing this eliminates the high spot and provides a zero clearance loading situation. No other trailer has this ability. Third, you can bring the limiter strap forward to allow the bed to fully tilt back. This allows gravity to work to your advantage if you are unloading mulch, black dirt, or aggregate. You can also remove the tailgate ramp if necessary by removing a few hinge bolts. Another great thing about the tilt clamp system is it uses a large, easy to grip hand knob to operate without tools. And it's very tight, so it won't rattle like other tilt trailers.